Hi. How are you? Tulog pa. Tulog na naman. Kakakain lang. Sleepy. Sleepy again. Sleepy. Only sleepy. Just finished eating and drinking water. How are you? That's Angel. He's just sleeping. Half awake, half sleeping. Hello. Thank you, Miss Leia. Thank you to all that donated. Thank you. Now, he's very sleepy. How are you? How are you? Just sleeping. Later we will play, huh? Let's play later. Angel, let's play later. You're still sleepy. You're still sleepy. Still groggy. Angel, it's Saturday, Angel. Oh, you're snoring.